Finding the perfect pink blush that gives you a natural flush without fading, caking, or clashing with your undertone can feel like chasing a unicorn. Whether you're going for a fresh no-makeup makeup look or full glam, the right pink blush makes all the difference. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best pink blushes that truly deliver, no matter your skin type or lifestyle. From drugstore gems to high-end heroes, here's the honest lowdown you need before your next blush buy. Kicking off our list at number 1, Milani Baked Blush. The Milani Baked Blush has long held cult status in the beauty world, especially the iconic Dolce Pink and Petal Primavera shades. Known for its marbled texture and rich pigment, it blends sun-baked Italian craftsmanship with everyday wearability. It's budget-friendly but delivers results that rival high-end products, making it a favorite for both beginners and pros. With its elegant gold compact and baked finish, it's designed to suit a variety of skin tones and lighting situations, from natural daylight to camera flash. Key features: Milani's Baked Blush features a multidimensional formula with ultrafine shimmer for a subtle glow. It's made using a baking process where the pigment is sun-baked on Italian terracotta tiles, creating a silky smooth, blendable texture. The blush comes in a dome shape and includes a built-in mirror and brush, perfect for touch-ups on the go. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, and highly pigmented, meaning you need very little for high-impact color. Benefits and usage: the blush doubles as a blush highlighter hybrid, giving you a glow without needing extra products. Simply swirl a fluffy brush into the compact, tap off the excess, and apply to the apples of your cheeks, sweeping upwards. The luminous finish reflects light beautifully and adds a youthful flush to the skin. It works great over foundation or on bare skin for a soft, radiant look. It's ideal for anyone who wants to add color without a dry, powdery feel. Usability: Milani Baked Blush is very user-friendly and beginner-safe. The pigment picks up easily on most brushes and blends out smoothly without streaks. It's buildable, so you can go from a soft wash of pink to bold glam in seconds. The shimmer isn't glittery, just glowy, making it wearable for daily use, even at work. It's also suitable for a range of skin tones, including medium and deeper complexions, thanks to its rich payoff. Durability: this blush wears impressively well throughout the day, especially for a powder product. Once applied, it stays put for around 6 to 8 hours without much fading, even in warmer weather. The baked formula resists patchiness and oxidation. And while it's not waterproof, it holds up nicely through mild sweat or humidity. For extra staying power, pair it with a setting spray or primer, and it'll keep that glow intact until the end of the day. In the second spot, we have Tarte Amazonian Clay. The Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush is a staple in many makeup kits for good reason. With its clean, eco-friendly formula and long-wearing pigment, it's one of the few blushes that truly lasts all day. Tarte uses naturally derived Amazonian clay to balance oil and moisture, which means this blush works beautifully on both dry and oily skin types. Available in a variety of pinks like Dollface and Blissful, it flatters nearly every skin tone without looking chalky or overdone. Key features: the standout feature of this blush is its Amazonian clay base, which adapts to your skin's needs, hydrating dry areas and absorbing excess oil. It's vegan, dermatologist-tested, and free of parabens, phthalates, and gluten. Packaged in a sleek compact that matches the shade inside, it also includes a decent-sized mirror. The pressed powder formula is finely milled, making it easy to apply without fallout or harsh lines. Benefits and usage: the natural pigments used in this formula provide a flush that looks like it comes from within. A single swipe gives you soft, seamless color, while layering can give you a dramatic pop. It's ideal for everyday use or special occasions because it won't move or fade. Just apply with a blush brush and blend upwards along your cheekbones for an instantly lifted, refreshed look. You don't need to worry about midday touch-ups. It really does last. Usability: this blush performs across all skin types and age groups. Oily skin users love its staying power, while drier skin types benefit from its smoothing texture. The powder isn't chalky or overly matte, and it won't emphasize texture or fine lines. Even if you're not an expert with a blush brush, the formula blends so easily that mistakes are almost impossible. It also layers well with cream products if you like a dewy base. Durability: Tarte's promise of a 12-hour wear time is very close to accurate. While you might see a slight fade around the 10-hour mark, It holds up better than most blushes on the market. It doesn't oxidize or change color, and it resists smudging, sweat, and heat. For those with long workdays or events, this is a top pick that truly locks in your blush from morning to night. Coming in at number 3 is the Too Faced Love Flush. The Too Faced Love Flush blush may be known for its adorable heart-shaped packaging, but don't let the cuteness fool you. This blush means business. Designed to deliver rich pigment with a long-lasting formula, it gives your cheeks a pop of romantic pink that lasts all day. Shades like Justify My Love and How Deep Is Your Love are standout pinks in the line that add a playful yet polished vibe to any makeup look. Key features: with its pressed powder texture and long wear promise, Love Flush is formulated with conditioning agents like shea butter and vitamin E. It's also cruelty-free and free of parabens. The finely milled formula makes application smooth and prevents that dreaded patchy effect. Its high-impact color payoff ensures you get strong pigment in just one swipe, which can be toned down or built up depending on your mood. Benefits and usage: Too Faced Love Flush delivers a youthful glow that suits all ages. A little goes a long way, so gently tap your brush into the pan and blend along your cheekbones. The color payoff is immediate, making it perfect when you need to get ready in a hurry. Whether you're wearing a full face or just throwing on mascara and blush, this product adds a lively, healthy glow that lifts your entire look. Usability: despite its bold pigmentation, this blush is easy to control. The silky formula blends out evenly, so you won't end up with clown cheeks even if you're in a rush. It's beginner-friendly yet appreciated by pros for its versatility and color range. It also works well across all skin tones, with lighter pinks flattering fair complexions and deeper shades standing out beautifully on rich skin tones. Durability: true to its claims, Love Flush can hold its own for around 10 to 12 hours. It resists fading even in humid conditions, making it a great summer or night-out blush. There's minimal transfer once it sets, and it doesn't settle into pores or fine lines. This is one of those rare powder blushes you can rely on to stay vibrant from the first selfie of the day to the last. Taking our 4th spot is MAC Powder Blush. The MAC Powder Blush is a professional-grade staple that has earned its spot in every makeup artist's kit. Known for shades like Well Dressed and Pink Swoon, MAC offers an impressive range of pinks that work with any undertone. This blush delivers buildable color with a soft focus finish, making it suitable for subtle daytime looks and dramatic evening glam alike. Key features: MAC's Powder Blush is available in matte, satin, and shimmer finishes, giving you flexibility depending on your desired effect. The finely milled powder ensures an even application, and the color range spans from pastel to deep berry pinks. It's dermatologist-tested, non-acnogenic, and safe for all skin types. The slim black compact is sleek and durable, ideal for both travel and daily use. Benefits and usage: this blush provides a highly customizable application. You can lightly dust it on for a hint of color or layer it for a more intense flush. The formula works beautifully over foundation or on bare skin, and it blends effortlessly without clinging to dry patches. Whether you're using a soft brush for a natural look or a dense brush for sculpting, the formula adapts easily to your technique. Usability: one of MAC's strengths is its consistency. The blush picks up easily on any brush and doesn't produce much fallout. It's a go-to product for people of all experience levels because it's both forgiving and buildable. With MAC's extensive pink shades, there's something for everyone, whether you prefer cool undertones, warm tones, or something neutral in between. Durability: MAC Powder Blush holds up well for 8 to 10 hours, depending on your skin type and weather conditions. It may fade slightly toward the end of the day, but doesn't blotch or turn ashy. It maintains its vibrancy with minimal touch-ups, and setting it with a spray can stretch its wear even longer. It's a classic for a reason. It simply works, and it lasts. And finally, at number 5, we have Laura Mercier Blush. The Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion is a high-end pick for those who prefer a natural, skin-like flush. Unlike overly pigmented formulas, this one is designed to be buildable and seamless, allowing the blush to melt into the skin for a barely there yet polished finish. Shades like Strawberry and Rose offer soft pink tones that enhance without overpowering. Key features: this blush features a sheer matte formula that offers 10 hours of natural-looking color. It's free of parabens and sulfates and formulated for sensitive skin. The powder is incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for mature or textured skin. It comes in a minimalist black compact that feels luxe but functional, and the product inside is finely milled for a smooth, airbrushed effect. Benefits and usage. The soft focus effect is perfect for those who want a sophisticated, grown-up blush. Just sweep a small amount onto your cheeks using a fluffy brush and blend well. The color melts into the skin without sitting on top or emphasizing pores. It can be used alone or layered over cream blush for dimension. The result is polished and professional. Perfect for work, weddings, or everyday wear. Usability. The Laura Mercier blush is excellent for both beginners and pros who value control. Because it's not overly pigmented, it's almost foolproof. It layers evenly without caking and plays well with other powders and foundations. It's great for combination or mature skin types and provides a smooth, diffused finish that mimics a natural flush. Durability. With up to 10 hours of wear, this blush performs well for long days. While the color is soft, it doesn't disappear over time. It resists fading and doesn't need frequent reapplication. Even in humidity, it maintains its tone and doesn't oxidize. Set with a spray and you're good to go from AM to PM with a whisper of healthy pink. So there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 best pink blushes that offer something for every skin tone, budget, and lifestyle. Whether you love a glowing baked blush, a long wear matte, or a soft natural finish, one of these picks is sure to become your new go-to. Great blush isn't just about color, it's about performance, blendability, and lasting power. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more pro beauty breakdowns.